Hey everyone, we got the Gerber gear knife. Right there we go. It's just gonna be a little small review, but I wanted a smaller pocket knife, so that's how small she is. We'll get her out of the package here. That way I don't have to do that anymore. That's it. Get that silly little guard off there. I do like these knives because they're interchangeable. I used to have the old Craftsman one. It was bulky, it would lose the screws. We'll see how this one holds up. Looks pretty nice. It shall do the job, I think. The only thing, this could be probably bent in a little bit more. I don't know if I quite like that sticking out that far. Good car scratcher. It's got a pretty good clip on it though. I think this is how I'm gonna carry it. Nice. There's the dimensions. About 5 inches to the tip there. I think I'll like it. Thanks for watching.